Hello everyone, I hope you are all well. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will show you how to share and send Android applications on WhatsApp. And applications that you don't get means you don't have that applications. If your friends has that applications in his mobile, so you can do it through WhatsApp. We move on to our video without wasting time. But before the video goes like this, you are requested to subscribe this video and click on the bell icon. You can see that we can send our pictures on WhatsApp through gallery or camera. We can send documents, we can send our contacts, we can send locations, we can also send audio, but there is no option to send applications. The file manager that is everyone mobiles, you have to click on it and open it. After opening the file manager, you will see that there are many options here: pictures, audio, download, etc. But you have to click on the applications option and open it. You can how many in our mobile, and we can easily share the application from here to our friends on WhatsApp. Clicking on the scroll down on the right side of any applications will open a menu bar with many options. What? We have to click on the share option. Then click on the WhatsApp. Select the friend to whom you to send applications and click on the send. You can see that our applications which we have sent to our friends is being sent. Hope you all understand. This is very easy method to share send Android applications through one mobile to another mobile. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, subscribe this video and click the bell icon.